We were just mentioning about one example in the life of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, his kind treatment to Hazrat Munshi Zafar Ahmad Sahib Kapoor Thalvi. So I had mentioned that when he came to meet him, he just looked towards the pitcher, and the promised Messiah immediately realized that he is feeling thirsty. He asked him, "Are you feeling thirsty?" He said, and then the promised Messiah himself went into his house and brought for him a glass of water. And then before he started drinking, he said, "Just wait a minute," and then went into the house again and brought 2 bottles of juice and told him that these
juice or Sharbat?
Sharbat, yeah, Sharbat. Difficult to talk. And somebody had brought these bottles for me as a gift, and I had made the intention that when some of my friend will be with me, then I'm going to use it. So then he offered him that Sharbat and juice. And
juice, no juice.
Sharbat. Yeah. And Hazrat Munshi Zafar Ahmad Sahib asked him that, requested the promised Messiah, would you also kindly taste a little bit? So the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam just tasted a little bit, and the rest was given to him, and he had the full glass of that Sharbat. And after that, he asked that, okay, take 1 bottle for you, and the other bottle you can take with you and distribute among the friends outside. So the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam himself actually just tasted that out of that.
That's right, but
out of
did he distribute the other bottle or not?
that is not mentioned here.
I know the way Muhammad was made. He would have taken it home. Would be given a little bit to obey, and the rest he would run away with.
That was one example.
Can I translate this in the beginning of tomorrow's program or now? Can I do this?
Please do, please. See, I suggested that he should use the word Sharbat.
Yeah.
Do the Arabs understand the word Sharbat?
I made it equivalent to something.
Sharbat is extensively used in America, and it's very popular there. It's not a fruit juice, which is prepared with sugar and some herbs with some good medicinal properties. So they do it in their own way, of course. They mix essences, etc. But in India and Pakistan, Sharbat was always used with original herbal juices and herbal powders which have special quality, special properties to improve the health of the person. So they are prepared in sugar juice, so that whatever is made of, you add a little bit of it in a glass and add water to your taste, because it's very sweet. But when you add water to suit your taste, then it becomes a glass of Sharbat which is finally drunk like this. So I thought better understand the word Sharbat, what it is.